Coforge, I am not that happy. It technically it's not a triple top exactly, but thrice it has turned from the 2000 level. This is obviously adjusted for split or whatever. So thrice it has turned from the proximity of 2000 level and has done nothing. We are in the danger of slipping into a correction of a greater degree. So I won't have a target or a buy for Coforge because I don't think it quantifies as a technical buy in the first place.
All right, not a buy coming in for Coforge, but Shahina, what is your take on both of these counters? Shakti Pump of late have been getting a lot of orders, while for Coforge on the back of that acquisition that they have made and the deal, the stock is indeed under pressure.
This is another one stock I've been recommending in the small cap space for some time. I also personally hold it for quite some time. And there, I believe the order book position is strong and it is likely to drive a growth of, the first half was not good. If you saw the first half, it was pretty flat. But the management continues to say that they would grow by about 20% odd in terms of revenues. So that basically means that the second half is going to be pretty strong, and that is backed by the orders that they have been getting in the last couple of months, last couple of weeks, I would say. So I would be a buyer in Shakti pumps. Maybe a target of something like fundamentally 830, 835 would be something I would look at the first level before I take a decision whether to hold or continue to add. In terms of Coforge, see, I think the long term the acquisition is very good. The management is saying it will be EPS accretive by FY27. At current levels, I think it is a bit expensive. So I would you can look to buy, but not now. Maybe a couple of quarters down the line. Let us see how they integrate the acquisition that they have recently made or they are going to make, and then look to add Coforge. Because if you compare it to some of the other large cap, which is say in Infosys, there I believe the valuations are much more attractive for Infosys. So yes, for now maybe one of the other large cap stocks in IT would be preferred, but Coforge maybe a couple of months down the line would be an interesting bet to add to your portfolio, because they are talking of a $2.5 billion type of revenue in the longer term, maybe 2 years down the line, once the acquisition is integrated into the company. So, and it's a complete equity swap. So, to that extent, I would wait and see how the balance sheet turns up. But yes, it could be an interesting bet to keep on your watch list.
Coforge looks like an interesting bet to keep on your watch.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.